What is going on YouTube? So you found this video because you're searching for a method on how to get free PS5 games in 2024. Now, I spent the last few hours pretty much trying everything available online, and I've finally managed to find a way how to get PS4 and PS5 games for free. This uses a simple code that you can enter in the PS Store, and it's going to remove the cost of any single game. So let's get into the tutorial. What is going on, guys? So this is the tutorial part of the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get any PS5 game for free in 2024. So let's get into it. You need to use your mobile phone, and it's important you use your mobile because it is a lot simpler. And you need to go to this website. So open up the internet and go to www.wavycoupons.com. So head on over to this website here, guys, Wavy Coupons. Now, I found this website around 2 to 3 months ago, and I've used them for so many different things, ranging from shopping coupon codes to game codes. Now, you need to look for the PlayStation page. So there is a specific page on this website for PS codes. So go to the search bar and type PlayStation, and you need to look for the PSN gift card codes and coupons page. So you can scroll down and look for it, or you can just search for PlayStation and look for the PlayStation logo. So just navigate your way to this website page. Now you can see these codes are limited in number, so I'm going to show you how to do it, but I'm not going to do the entire process because I want to save these codes and I don't actually need any more games. But if you scroll down a bit, you can see we have this option here, any game for free from the PSN store. So what this is going to be, guys, this is going to be a digital game code, so you can literally add any game to your PSN basket in the store, apply this code, and it's going to remove the cost of any game you choose. So click on Show Coupon. Now, of course, these coupon codes are pretty desirable, and people create robots to steal all of the codes from Wavy Coupons. So you need to unlock your personal code. Now, to do that, guys, you're going to need to tap this button here, and I'm not going to run through the entire process, so let's back out of here. But what's going to happen, guys, is you're going to see a new screen and it will tell you exactly how to unlock your code. You need to complete a couple of these simple tasks, and these tasks are such as like downloading and playing some free games, to answering questions in questionnaires. I know it's annoying having to do this. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes, but I think it's worth it considering once you've done that, your code will be unlocked and you can get any PlayStation game for free. Sorry, guys, I think I've got asthma and it's quite warm, so I'm struggling. But yeah, so that is how you do it, guys. Head on over to Wavy Coupons. Just make sure you follow through all of the instructions and follow the steps to verify yourself. And once you've done it, guys, you can then go ahead and get any PlayStation 5 or 4 game for completely free. Enjoy.